What is a connecting flight? Options are A. Direct flight, B. Changed planes, C. Cargo flight, D. Return flight. The correct answer is changed planes. What does final call mean? Options are A. First notice, B. Last boarding call, C. Cancel flight, D. Buy ticket. The correct answer is last boarding call. What is immigration? Options are A. Bag check, B. Document check, C. Seat check, D. Food check. The correct answer is document check. What is customs? Options are A. Seat booking, B. Goods check, C. Ticket print, D. Flight plan. The correct answer is goods check. What is an aisle seat? Options are A. Window side, B. Middle seat, C. Near walkway, D. Front row. The correct answer is near walkway. What is a window seat? Options are A. Near door, B. Outside view, C. Extra space, D. Quick exit. The correct answer is outside view. What is baggage claim? Options are A. Buy bags, B. Collect bags, C. Check tickets, D. Security area. The correct answer is collect bags. What is overweight baggage? Options are A. Small bag, B. Heavy bag, C. Lost bag, D. Empty bag. The correct answer is heavy bag. What is a transit passenger? Options are A. End trip, B. No ticket, C. Passing through, D. Airport staff. The correct answer is passing through. What is boarding time? Options are A. Landing time, B. Entry time, C. Ticket time, D. Check time. The correct answer is entry time.